Hello, I'm Pam Moynan, Grant Manager for Public Infrastructure, DCEO, and I'm going to go through the modifications process today. For grant modifications, you will want to consult with your Rebuild Illinois Grant Manager regarding proposed changes such as location, project area, project beneficiaries, including project area, environmental impact, for example, changes from completed ERR, the scope of work, the budget, and the project end date. Modifications not allowed for include requests for activities outside the original project area, requests to decrease or increase scope of work/budget due to greater or less than estimated costs, and in addition, if proposal alters LMI benefit, the percentage of benefit must be within the same LMI scoring from the application review. No decrease of LMI benefit is allowed. The Rebuild Illinois Grant Manager will determine if a written modification request is required. Unapproved changes can result in repayment of the grant funds. Always contact your grant manager prior to changing a Rebuild Illinois grant project in any way. Required documents for the modification include letter signed by the grantee's chief elected official on grantee letterhead, and it must include detail why the modification is necessary, what exactly needs to be changed, and please include the grant number. Another required document is the DCO Request for Modification Waiver Form. And on this document, always ensure you are using the most up-to-date version. You can always check with your Rebuild Illinois Grant Manager. And include the current form contains a budget template on the second page and current DCO director. Another documentation required is scope of work and budget modification request only. A copy of the scope of work/budget from the grant agreement should be submitted. Write the requested changes directly on the page. And line item adjustments will also require a signed uniform grant budget modification template. LMI benefits. Form Appendix 1-4-D from the GMH, required as part of the modification request submission when grant administrators are trying to move unused LMI connection funds to construction, because an insufficient number of LMI homeowners and/or renters did not income qualify. Final design plans/as-built plans, required as part of the grant closeout process and submitted with the grantee evaluation report, the GER, at the end of the project. In addition, final design plans, as-built plans, you will need to ensure the grantee designed/constructed the project as described and documented in the grant application or as described in executed subsequent grant modifications. That is the end of the modifications process. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.